Have you ever felt like losing weight was impossible? Like no matter how hard you tried, no matter what you did, the results just never came? Well, I'm going to introduce you to somebody and some few other people. And this is, let's call her Sarah. Sarah has lost 40 pounds in the last 8 weeks. That's 2 months. Technically it was 7, but I'm rounding it up. And today I'm going to reveal how you can do the same. Now, I'm not a doctor, and I can't guarantee and make any kind of claims that this is going to work for you because I don't know how your body works. But I do have eyes, and I have seen multiple people have results, as you can see on the screen right now, even myself. So, with that, I'm going to go ahead and show you what Sarah did and explain to you how this works. But what I'm going to tell you first is what it's not. And it's not no crazy diets. It's not no crazy exercise. You can do that to help speed up the process if you want to. But that's what it's not. And it's not a magic pill. So if you're thinking that it's going to be a magic pill that's going to help you lose all this weight overnight, there is no such thing right now. Sorry. And it's not a shot, so you don't have to worry about that. But what this is a system. And a system that is working for many. So we all know that the struggle is real, okay? We want to burn fat, we want to lose weight, get rid of those extra pounds that we have in the midsection, upper section, whatever you want. It might be in your butt, who knows? But it's always frustrating because either it's an unsafe way or something happens, it costs a lot of money, or it just comes back. It's not consistent. But this one is, because this is a daily health system, and I'm going to show you guys what it is. Now, this daily health system actually hits your metabolism. It works on your metabolism, and that is the thing, from what I hear from doctors, is what helps you lose that weight, helps you burn that fat, and create that energy. So if you're not familiar with that, you don't have to be a scientist, but you know this is safe products, supplements that are working for people that are helping, I guess, boost their metabolism to the point that it's actually messing with their fat that they have. And a good way is getting rid of it. So I'm not going to go into all the technical things, aspects of it, but I have been using it. I know many others have been using it. If you want to get your hands on it, I'm going to provide a link later on. You probably got it in the description below. But this system has been crazy. You got people losing weight in like 2 months. You got people losing weight in a month, 4 weeks. You got people who are just making huge transformations, as you can see on the screen. Now, with that said, I wouldn't tell you about this if it didn't work. I'm not the type of person that's going to just go ahead and put something on the internet, on YouTube, on whatever, and say, oh yeah, go ahead and purchase this. I'm always I gotta have results myself. And I'll get into my whole story, but as you can see, I've had some results myself too. Went from that to that. And I'm happy with my success. I'm not done, and I'm still using it as we speak, and I actually like it. And it does taste good. Don't worry about that. So if you want to get your hands on this, let me know. If you have any questions about this, I'll be happy to answer those. This is actually backed by doctors, professionals, and I can give you information on how this actually affects your body in a positive way. Guys, people are getting results of inches losing from their hips, from their body. People are getting, the pounds are falling off, and it's staying off. People who have struggled in the past and have tried multiple things and just has not worked is getting results with this daily health system. And listen, you don't have to believe me. Try it out yourself, because the company actually has a 30-day guarantee money back. So if you want to get your hands on it, I actually put the link of the website in the description below. I actually pinned it too on the first comment. So feel free to go ahead and click on there just to make it easier for you guys, so you don't have to navigate and go ahead and type in everything. Links right there for you guys for the website. And yeah, let me know your results. I've had people hit me up on YouTube already saying, hey, this has worked. I lost 10 pounds in 2 weeks. Results are happening. So hopefully this helped you guys out in your journey for weight loss. Hopefully you can get some results that in the future, so I can actually share those with you. I would love to know your journey and what you're trying to do. So with that, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Oh, if you got some value from this one, or if you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna do some more testimonies and some more videos like this to show you what keeps on coming up, because they keep on improving the formula that they got going on. So with that, guys, you guys have a good one. Take care, be safe, and be blessed.